Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we just fitted another Autowatch Ghost-II on this really lovely Range Rover Sport 2017. Customer super paranoid, had a Discovery stolen, so they didn't want it to happen to this. So how the system works, if someone was to clone this key or do a relay attack and go to start it, this is what would happen. Start the vehicle up. As soon as they select a gear, you'll see the vehicle will cut out. Okay, watch. There you go, vehicle's cut out. And if I try and restart it, it just won't start, okay? So now every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, they have to go through a disarm procedure, which is a push sequence. So on here, we've done something very basic, but the customer's going to change it when we leave. So start the vehicle. Or should I say, we've tested it immobilised. So turn on the ignition, insert your code, get your double flash, start your vehicle. Okay. And now if we select a gear, so this is basically how it works. Also, it comes with a card that should the customer forget the code, there is an emergency override card here. Obviously, they would then give us a call and we would show you how to disarm it and reteach another code. This was just a quick video. As I said, my name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.